Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's Product Opportunity Explorer for ad planning. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll discuss how to use Amazon's Product Opportunity Explorer for ad planning. To start, log into your Seller Central account. Click on the burger icon in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, navigate to the Product Opportunity Explorer. Once you're in the Product Opportunity Explorer, you'll have access to a wealth of data to help you identify potential product opportunities and plan your advertising strategies accordingly. First, explore the Opportunity Explorer tool. This feature allows you to see trending products and search terms within specific categories. By analyzing this data, you can identify high-demand products and plan your ad campaigns to target these opportunities effectively. Next, use the search volume data to understand how frequently certain terms are being searched. This can help you refine your keyword strategy, ensuring you're targeting the terms that customers are actively searching for. The Top Products section is another valuable resource. It shows you the top performing products in your category, providing insights into what's working well in the market. You can use this information to benchmark your own products and adjust your ad strategies to stay competitive. Finally, keep an eye on the product recommendations. These are tailored suggestions based on current market trends and customer behavior. By incorporating these recommendations into your ad planning, you can stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging trends. Regularly using the Product Opportunity Explorer will help you stay informed about market trends and optimize your advertising strategies for better results. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.